All right, so this last example here, we've got, it says, let p of x equal this function in the xy plane. What are the x coordinates of the points where p of x equals 2? And then we have this domain restriction, okay? So this is p of x. I want to know when p of x equals 2. So even though this is a calculator question, you still have to write stuff down. So p of x, which is 3 minus 1.7 times the cotangent of 0.5x minus 1 is equal to 2. We want to know, when does that happen, right? So that's why we have that written down, okay? Then we want to put that into our calculator, right? And we are going to do this in the graph screen, because doing this in the calculator screen is not going to do anything for you. So when we're here, you hit the on button, 1 for new, no, and we are going to add a graph, okay? So I'm going to put in p of x, which is 3 minus 1.7. All right, now I want cotangent. To get cotangent, sine, cosine, whatever trig function I need, right next to 7, there's a trig button. So I click the trig button, and then I get to choose whatever I want. In this case, it is cotangent. And then on the paper, it says 0.5x. Now, if that said 0.5 theta or t or q or whatever, doesn't matter. I have to put x in the calculator because this is a function of x. Okay, so 0.5 x minus 1. Okay. You put x. X is the only thing you can put in there. And then you can arrow down to get to the next one, but a lot of times I hit enter just out of habit. Okay, so let's say that I did that. How do I get back to where I can type in something? Tab. What you doing over there? Where's your calculator? Yeah, well, hurry up. Okay, and so I hit tab, and then I need to put in 2 because that's the other function, right? And I hit enter. Now, there's an infinite amount of places where this intersects, but I have a domain here that says 0 to 2 pi. So although it may not be 100% necessary on this one, it still will make your life a little bit easier, and it may be necessary on others. We're going to hit menu, and we're going to fix our window, and we want our window settings. So it tells me on my paper I'm supposed to be going from 0, that's a 1, from 0 to 2 pi, and I get pi from down here by the H. I click the pi button, choose pi. I don't really need to change my y part because I can see what I need to see for y, so I'm just not even going to worry about it. And I hit enter. And then that shows me between 0 and 2 pi, there's only going to be one answer, right? And how do I figure out what that is? Intersection. So I hit menu, 6 for analyze graph, 4 for intersection. Make sure you're on the left-hand side of the intersection, and then go to the right-hand side. And then you should be able to see multiple decimal places. If you cannot, then there is something wrong with the settings in your calculator, and you need to get those fixed. And for those of you that never fix your settings, even though we've done it multiple times on our calculators, might have some issues on the mock exam tomorrow. Just saying. So then over here, I would say that x equals 4.078. And that's it. Okay, we've done intersection a whole bunch of times. I just wanted to make sure that you could find the trig stuff on your calculator and knew where to go. We all good? Yep. All right, awesome.